Hey guys, it's Matt here, and today I'm reviewing this speaker made by BlitzWolf. Now right off the bat, this is a $70 speaker, or £70, I'll leave all the links down below. The actual box design kind of reminds me of something like an Apple product, so really nice presentation, I'll give them that. And on first appearance, it's a solid metal body, fully aluminium. You have all these grill holes in the side, which is obviously so the sound can get out. And overall, it looks really awesome. It is a pretty hefty speaker, but it's got insanely good sound quality. So you have two 10-watt drivers in here. They produce quite a lot of bass, but overall it's not overpowering and you still have a really good range of sounds. And it's quite pleasant to listen to. I must admit, it's got really crisp and punchy vocals. It's just got such a crisp sound. It's almost like ASMR. On the top of the speaker, you have 4 buttons. All of these are metal. They're super clicky and tactile. So on the left hand side, the first button is the power button, so you simply hold it down to turn it on. You also have a play pause button, and you also have a volume up and down button. The volume up and down is linked to the one on the phone. Some speakers have them separate, so you have to turn it up on the speaker and the phone. To connect is pretty simple, just like every other Bluetooth device. You go into your settings, your Bluetooth, and you connect to it. So it's called the BWAS1, that stands for BlitzWolf AS1. Pretty easy to connect, and once it's connected, you're good to go. You have around 8 hours playback at half volume, so I'd say about 4 hours at maximum volume, which is pretty good. It's a very small, compact speaker. It's not tiny, let me say that, but it's not quite as big as some other ones I've featured on the channel. You also get these 2 little packets at the bottom of the box, and it comes with a 3.5mm cable, so if you're one of the lucky ones out there that currently has a phone with a headphone jack, then you're in luck with this. You also have another packet which has a micro USB cable, so there's no USB-C here. Would be pretty nice to see USB-C because it's really nice build quality. And if you're curious about charge time, it's around 3 to 4 hours. It's got a 2600 mAh battery, so it's not the biggest, but it's actually pretty good and it lasts quite a long time. But as I said, in terms of size, it's pretty narrow, it's not too high, and the weight is pretty good. It feels premium, but it's not too heavy, it's not too light. Underneath you have a couple of rubber friction pads so that it doesn't move when you put it down on like a glass table, and also it kind of absorbs a little bit of the vibration as well. But overall, there's no branding apart from on the bottom, and it's pretty minimalistic, and overall I really like it. There's a small LED behind one of the grills, and it actually flashes when it's powered on, but apart from that and the BlitzWolf branding on the front, this is a pretty minimalistic speaker. If you were to take off that branding, I would almost think it was made by someone like Apple. It actually feels that good quality. And it's definitely good on the go. It fits in every backpack I have, and you pretty much can't even tell it's in the backpack, so that's a good sign. If you're curious about this backpack, it's actually one I've been sent recently, and it will be featured in my next video. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.